Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Sahih Al-Bukhari Hadith number 1, chapter, the Book of Revelation. Narrated Umar bin al-Khattab, I heard Allah's Messenger saying, the reward of deeds depends upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended. So whoever emigrates for worldly benefits or for a woman to marry, his emigration will be for what he emigrated for. So, the brothers and sisters, the quoted hadith emphasizes the crucial role of intentions in Islamic ethics, highlighting that the value and reward of actions are determined by one's internal motives. It stresses that outward appearances alone do not define the merit of deeds. Rather, sincere intentions are pivotal. The hadith uses the examples of migration to illustrate how two individuals performing the same action can receive different spiritual outcomes based on their intentions. It underscores divine justice where individuals are recompensed according to their intentions and actions. The hadith warns against insincere intentions and hypocrisy in religious practice, encouraging believers to purify their motives and align them with the Islamic teachings. It promotes self-reflection, spiritual growth, and prioritizing moral integrity over worldly gains. Ultimately, the hadith serves as an ethical guideline, highlighting the transformative power of genuine intentions in elevating actions to acts of worship and guiding believers towards spiritual fulfillment and divine reward.